Engaba amashumi amabili nanhlanu siwathe lapha ihora lethu le sishaka lolunye uma ngabe usanda kungena noma kana ufinyelela kwakho umsakazo ngiyakwamukela ohlelweni The Mid Morning Avenue usahlezi nentokazo kwamalindi umimizana omnyamazana. It is a Monday, umsombuluko umvulo. Siyathemba ukuthi na kanjani kuphila kuphila umsakazo ohamba phambili uthe wafinyelela khona uvuke kahle uright urelevant qala ngamanzi yabona uma ungaqala ngamanzi ngihlala ngilongizwa ngaso sonke isikhathi kuthiwa water is life, whether you bathe in it, whether you drinking it, whether you cooking with it, whatever it is that you're doing, you must definitely know H2O certainly is life. Wena mlaleli womsakazo lapho ekhaya uyakwazi ke ukuthi ungithumelele owakho umqhafazo ngizwe ukuthi ngabe impela sonto yakho ibinjani nokuthi wena yini lokhu othi intokazi kwamalindi mayithi ake sishiye phansi yini wena ungathanda ukuthi Mimizana, you know what, I'm going to be bold, I'm going to be bad, I'm going to be wiser, and I'm going to be stronger, I'm going to be calm, I'm just going to stay together, stay put together so that I can just go through this last hurdle. Ngizokwazi ukuthi ngivele on the other side ngibe right nami nakanjani. Good morning, Mrs. Nana. And hope you had a wonderful weekend. I'm listening to you all the way from Zone 11 Esbukeng. Thank you so much, Wena Valencia Sipati. If you woke up and you were feeling a little bit early, you were feeling a little bit heavy in the heart, wena mlaleli womsakazo lapho ekhaya onkosi yami wafika nje the piper of R&B and says the storm is over. Come and set you free. Umsakazo ohamba phambili iThetha FM 100.6. Siyazi ukuthi wena njengomlaleli womsakazo lapho ekhaya you are depending on us to make sure your day is a little bit lighter, and of course usuku lakho luba ngconywana ukudlula ezinye insuku. Uma ngabe usuzwile also played you music of Ntokozo Mbambo, ngimthatheke yena lapho ethi khona inxaniwe, kodwa ke isikhathi siyasivumela, and then after that good juice, good light, good lovely. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi ku proper because we certainly are going to be talking about something very interesting. Ungaze unyakaze sisesitolo izuzu eshumi nanhlanu ngaphambi kokuba libumbane ihora lethu leshumi. Uma ngabe usanda kungena noma khana ufinyelele kwakho umsakazo siyakwamukela ohlelweni. Ngiyangena ke lapho emotweni yakho ngiyangena ngiyazi bakhona who are doing distance learning abahlezi lapho ekhaya who are saying, you know what, I'm just going to take a break, just a breather kancane soloku ngifunda the whole night. Awuthi nje ke ngithi ngithathe nje I break kancane ngizohlala nomimizana. Welcome to the Mid Morning Avenue. Ngiyazi bakhona abanye who you know let me tell you something ne bakhona abantu abavuke ngeside eli right because they went to the Durban July. Yes, ngizwile ukuthi I Durban July kwaze kwabhora nkosi yami ngenxa kaMadlanga. Niyeza ukuthiwa nje bekuyele nje thina omimizana Miss Ordinary no Mr Ordinary. Abantu abayithengela nje hayi abantu abathenga amakhonyeka, abantu abathenga ama caviar sonio what kuthiwa nje bekuyiphuzela amasayida nina. Yengamsaba uMadlanga kuthiwa bekuphuzwa neingudu, kuthiwa bekukubi lapha yana kumanzi phansi ngiyanitshela. Kuthiwa nje ingudu abantu bebephuzela nje ingudu zabo ngoba phela abantu abanemali phela ngithi siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Abantu phela nabantu sebayasaba manje. Abantu bayasaba, umuntu onemali sekayasaba ukuthi abonise aphakamise impiko zakhe ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi unemali uyasaba nkosi yami. Uthi ubuthi ubone bolinthong Debeneng July ngilona. Uthi buthi ubone bolimo kithaba Madlanga ke lejwetse. Kiyamuthaba Madlanga. Uthi le batho bana le chelete bane ba ile mono. Ke le fa pinyane ke le sebela because ke thotse inside information. Kitotsi information from the sources but bane balimo ba re jo re qala bona ntwetse budutu bone bolimo khona uthi no Madlanga tlamile a stope bareki ba gutla uthi bareki ne ba le siyo uthi bareki batho ba itshwereng kaofela uthi le bo abuti ba vali monana ba dichebelo pili ba rwalang dieta tsa di dinosaurs lotho ho tune ba le siyo matla nto Durban July ho tse bodutu bone bole mo moshimane mo tsena go utlwile a re mogwa hae o sebe o tsama ka koloi tsena wa di bona dikoloi tse di what car wa di bona tseo ke di eng di V class what ho twe ha bukwa o na le steke 6 ya tsona tse a tloetse hore a di rentise ka Durban July ho thwe di ne di sa bukwa bareki ba tshwile yo ha ke amtshaba Mahlanga ke ya motshaba Mahlanga ho thwe nje ba batla fela nthwena e fele hore ba gone hore bophelo bo tswele pele bodutu bone mbuli mo ho thwe ke bona ba haisale. Was in the year 1994 in August, and she was only 15 years old. Ngikhuluma ngaye ke uAliya when she got married to Robert Kelly, the piper of R&B, and he was 27 years old. Kodwa ke abazali bakhe when they found out ukuthi basebenzise a fake ID ekhuluma ukuthi uAliya is 18 years old, and then they got married. 6 months later, the parents got the marriage annulled in February 1995. So it means bebashade for only 6 months. I'm talking about the later Aliya naye o Robert Kelly. Ngikudlalele ingoma yakhe emnandi ngimthathe lapho ethi khona the one I gave my heart to, and wena mlaleli womsakazo ohamba phambili lapho ekhaya. And before that one I played you music of Jada Monroe. I know Carol is beaming all the way for hearing that one. Ngimthathe lapho ethi khona keep going. And today, you know, let me tell you something wena mlaleli womsakazo ohamba phambili lapho ekhaya. As it is a Monday, I was telling our camera guy here, Pule, to say, hey, Pule, you know, today, normally on a Monday, I'm all, you know, high. My spirits are high. But today, I was a little bit down, you know. And then I was thinking about it. Ngizibuza ngithi, abanye abantu lapho ekhaya. When you are mad, when you are angry, when you are sad, how do you display that emotion? Because for me, I think crying is a solution for a lot of things for me. When I'm happy, I cry. When I'm sad, I cry. When I'm angry, I cry. And it's actually something that I think is a good trait. Abanye abantu would think ukuthi it's a weakness. Ne? People would think that it's a weakness, but for me, I think it like the bridge that I have to get past. Ngisheshe ngidlule. Like ngisheshe ngidlule. Mangabe bengicasukile, mangikhala, ngisheshe ngidlule. Mangabe I was feeling down, I was sad, mangikhala, ngisheshe ngidlule. And people abantu abahlukile ba expressa indlela yabo yokujabula neyokwata ngendlela ehlukile. Omunye umuntu uvele aphule izinto, you just take things and throw them. I know my friend is like that. Upedi, when she gets angry, she just wants to break stuff. She even throws things at people. Like for her, mayingathatha something wayiphonsa wayijikijela kumuntu uvele azizwe ebangcono. And omunye umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi yena nje ufuna ukuthi abambe umuntu ngezandla, and then they would feel better. Ukhona omunye umuntu ozothi hey yabona mina mimizana nje ngivele ngithule, and that's it. And umuntu ngiyamkhipha nje empilweni yami nje ngivele ngithule, ahlale azi nje ukuthi yazokuthini lo muntu ukwatile, and it means the relationship is just sour. So today I thought maybe let's put it on the table and find out ukuthi wena njengomlaleli lapho ekhaya uma ngabe uzwe ubhlungu noma ucasukile, how do you express your anger? How do you express your dissatisfaction sometimes uma ngabe uzizwa ungeneme ngenxa yento ethize? How do you express that? Uyilo muntu okhalayo njengomimizana, uyilo muntu ophakamisa ivoice yakhe ashout nje strong, noma umuntu ofana nobabami uvele uthatha induku fa umuntu nje dile ngaye nje fast, noma nawe uphonsa izinto, noma you just that person that just, you know, withdraws. Abantu bayazi ukuthi mayithulile akekho right. And my mom always says ukuthi umimi ngiyamazi nanoma ingabe ecasukile and ekhulume wathethisa umuntu wenzani nje akusu umuntu ozohlala kuleyo ndawo ushesha xole. It's because I cry, guys. It's because I cry. Hey, it's for me it's a habit. When I laugh I cry, when I'm happy I cry, when I'm mad, when I'm sad. It applies to everything. 063 073 7540. I see Carol says, yo Mimi, I'm also a crybaby. Mina ngiyakhala nje nabantu abahlala nami nje bayazi ukuthi I am a crybaby. Mimi sana na kiyasebenza akikwatile and then kija haholo. Kiyasebenza ke muthwana ka chiftang ntlu ashapa spring cleaning nje ke that type. I work kiyasebenza nje morning Mimi sana ngiyathula ngilalele umusic angifuni ukuxoxiswa. Thuli Manaba yena ke uthi use biketlong 063 073 7540. Are you a cry baby like Milizana omnyamazana or wena uyayithulela? Ngizwa manje omunye uthi hey Mimizana mina nje I just work that's what I do mangicasuke kahle. Nawe ke uyakwazi ukuthi umthumelele owakho umchafazo 063 073 7540.
Mimizana jwang ngwanisa re phetse ka mahaho a nna ke alla ngwanisa ke thabile ke alla utlwe bohloko ke itukisa ka digapa ha ke qeta mo ke iphumula ke se ke le hantle ke o sinana ka mkhelele ke alla.
One man that is really causing a stir in the music industry after that performance. Yeah, was it Newsroom Africa? Or was it something on SABC2? I think the news. Huh? SABC. Yes, it was on SABC. I think it's the news in the morning, and then he went and he performed live there. Ingoma leni ithandayo sebilaka. Credo. Angenge. Played you a beautiful one from him. Still where we were. Kapango Loco, I played you music of Ira Star and Away. 18 minutes past the hour 11. If you've just tuned in, welcome to the Mid-Morning Avenue. Usahlezi nentokazi yakwamaLindi uMimizana omnyamazana on the last hour of the show. And a little bit earlier on ngibuze umbuzo ukuthi wena njengomlaleli womsakazo hamba phambili lapho ekhaya uma ngabe ucasukile uma ngabe ujabulile what do you you cry njengomimizana noma uyilabantu abafuna ukulwa uyilabantu abamemezayo noma uyilabantu abafuna ukuthi baphule something nje njame wena uyicata ka matso njame ya muthu awutlo ure uyikutlwa jwang. Morning Mimizana ngiyathula ngilalela umusic angifuni ukuxoxiswa. Oh okay, umlayezo ka Thuli Manaba, I think I've already read that one. Dokotela I just yazi nina ningibiza kamnandi omunye uthe imali hakwe a little bit earlier on omunye nangu uthi dokotela. Yeah, I love it that you guys are giving me an honorary doctorate. Huh? But dokotela, I just walk away. It's how I express my feelings. Every struggle, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, I suppose. And listening to music, that's my thing. Kilavas, Kamanika Farm Town, Narna, Mimizana Kimutwamino, Hasekutleka Lihlaso Kiba right. Hi Mimizana, I just take a walk to cool down and then come confront the issue Kilekam. Kimisha Kamani ka mkelele ka extension 3. I think I saw another message nguvulile genze iphutha. Mimizana oh my goodness. Lo muntu uzocasuka kangakanani nkosami because I opened this message and now I can't seem to find it because ngithole imilayezo eminingi ngendlela eyisimanga. It's now 20 minutes emva kwehora lethu, or actually 19 minutes emva kwehora lethu leshumi nanye. Abantu besifazane bayazi ukuthi ke ngiyathanda ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngiphane ngama hot tips. Go to my Facebook page Mimizana Malindi. Let's start something. Pule has been breathing down my neck for years now, for months now, saying hey me man. So I decided, because we are approaching this month yamakhosikazi. I think I'm just gonna start compiling a few things for you njengomlaleli womsakazo lapho ekhaya. Nongana basket uyangena emarket.
Umnyamazane. Jo, nna ke a bokolla. Utlile bohloko hantle. Kore ke se khitla ke be kotle mabota ka di face. Ke la ela ke ya se khitla se mthoba pa.
Kule funeral cover obukade umfake kuyo noma uyamyeka. Maybe you can also give your reasons ukuthi mangabe awumkhiphi yini isizathu sakho esenza ukuthi ungafuni ukuthi umkhiphe. Uma ngabe uyamkhipha nakhona awusitshele lapho ukuthi isizathu sokuthi umkhiphe ingabe yesiphi. 0630737540 uyakwazi ukuthi usithole einkundleni zethu zokuxhumana. We're also live on Facebook, Teta FM 100.6. I'm also live Mimizana Malindi. Let's put it on the table. Tell me umuntu mangabe wena naye benihlekisana noma benishadile and then nahlukana kwaba ne divorce, if you were bomfake ku policy, what do you do? Ingabe uyamkhipha kuleyo policy? Ukhona omunye umuntu uthi angimkhiphelani manje. Why take out? Don't take people out. And someone else almost immediately. Ngimkhipha almost immediately, almost same times. Ngiyamkhipha. 0630737540. Ngengizwe ukuthi wena njengomlaleli womsakazo lapho ekhaya wenza njani. Ungangishayela nocingo 016 023 0351. Inombolo yethu la ungakwazi ukuthi uxhumane nentokazi kwaMalindi khona. Ngiyayibona imilayezo yena ingenile 063 073 7540. Uyamkhipha noma uyamfaka na?